Have you ever wondered how we can live in harmony with nature while growing our own food? That's where permaculture comes in. It's a way to design sustainable systems that mimic the beauty and balance of natural ecosystems, just as God designed the earth to work in perfect harmony. As Psalm 24 verse 1 says, "The earth is the Lord's, and everything in it." We are called to care for His creation. Permaculture is all about working with nature, not against it. It's a holistic approach to gardening, farming, and living that emphasizes regeneration and sustainability. This reflects the biblical principle of stewardship, as seen in Genesis 2 verse 15, "The Lord God took the man and put him in the Garden of Eden to work it and take care of it." When we care for the earth, we honor God's gift to us. Permaculture is guided by three key principles, which align with biblical teachings. 1. Care for the earth. As Genesis 2 verse 15 reminds us, the Lord God took the man and put him in the Garden of Eden to work it and take care of it. This principle calls us to nurture and protect creation. 2. Care for people. Luke 10 verse 27 commands us to love your neighbor as yourself, encouraging us to meet the needs of others and build strong, supportive communities. 3. Fair share. Hebrews 13 verse 16 says, "Do not forget to do good and to share with others." Sharing resources and reducing waste fosters fairness and kindness. Permaculture is more than just gardening, it's a way of life that reflects God's values. Start small today. Plant herbs, grow veggies, compost your kitchen scraps, recycle, rethink and regenerate. Together, we can create a future that grows with nature and glorifies God. Let's get started.